Finding the right rotary cutter for leather can completely transform your crafting experience. If you've ever struggled with uneven cuts, frayed edges, or tools that just don't hold up, you're not alone. But today, we're checking out 5 rotary cutters for leather that might just be the solution you've been searching for. Stick around and don't forget to check the links in the description. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, we have the Worx Cordless Electric Scissors rotary cutter. What makes this one stand out? Well, it's powered by a 4-volt max lithium battery that holds its charge for months, so you won't have to worry about frequent recharging. And at just 1 pound, it's lightweight enough to use for long projects without tiring your hand. One of its best features? The automatic blade sharpening system. This means cleaner cuts, longer blade life, and less hassle. Plus, the dual trigger safety mechanism helps prevent accidental starts. Great for keeping your workspace safe. And with a battery indicator, you'll always know when it's time to recharge. Now, if you've ever been frustrated with tools that just don't cut it, literally, here's something to consider. While this rotary cutter works well for thin leather and basic cutting tasks, it might not be ideal for thicker leather pieces. Some users also mention that the build quality doesn't feel as premium as expected for the price. Another thing to note, the charging port placement could be more convenient, as it sometimes gets in the way during certain cuts. And while the electric mechanism is efficient, it can be a bit loud, which might be a downside if you prefer a quieter workspace. Coming in at number 4, we have the Tandy leather Craftool strap cutter, a tool designed specifically for cutting precise leather strips up to 4 inches wide. If you're into leather crafting and need straight, even cuts for belts, straps, or decorative trims, this tool might just be what you're looking for. But is it the right fit for your projects? Let's find out. What makes this cutter stand out is its simple yet effective design. The 2 crossbars hold the leather steady, helping you achieve clean, consistent cuts, a must-have feature for anyone who values precision. And the included blade? It's sharp right out of the box, slicing through various leather thicknesses with ease. If you've ever struggled with uneven edges using a utility knife, this tool could be a game changer. Now let's talk about usability. While the Craftool strap cutter simplifies straight-line cutting, it does require a bit of practice. Adjusting the tension and getting the alignment just right can take some time, especially if you're new to leatherworking. Setting it up isn't the most intuitive process, but once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the accuracy it offers. In terms of build quality, it's decent, but not perfect. The guide system could use some improvement, as the calibration marks are minimal, which can make precise measurements tricky. Some crafters find themselves making extra adjustments to get the exact width they need. Also, keep in mind that this is a one-task tool. It's excellent for straight cuts, but won't help if your projects require curves or intricate designs. At number 3, we have the Headley Tools Rotary Cutter Set, a solid option that packs great value into a single kit. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, this set includes everything you need to get started. A 45mm rotary cutter, 5 extra SKS7 steel blades, an A3 self-healing cutting mat, a quilting ruler, and additional crafting tools. One of the standout features? The ergonomic handle, designed for both right and left-handed users, making it easy to grip and control. The safety button is another great touch, helping to prevent accidental cuts, a must-have for anyone working with sharp blades. The SKS7 steel blades deliver smooth, precise cuts on leather, fabric, and even paper, while the self-healing mat not only protects your workspace, but also extends the life of your blades. Now, let's talk about a few downsides. The plastic handle components may not be durable enough for heavy daily use. Some users report that the blade retention system could be more secure, requiring occasional readjustments during longer cutting sessions. The cutting mat is useful, but it's not as thick or sturdy as professional-grade options, which could be a drawback when working with thicker leather projects. Additionally, the ruler's markings could be more visible for precise measurements. Overall, this set is perfect for beginners and casual crafters, offering affordability and convenience. However, if you work with heavy-duty materials or need top-tier durability, you may want to upgrade. Tried this set before? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. At number 2, we have the Fiskars Trigger Rotary Cutter. A standout choice thanks to its magnetic blade hub system. If you're looking for a cutter that offers precision, durability, and safety, this one delivers. The 45mm titanium-coated blade is 3 times harder than standard steel, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and smooth cutting through leather, fabric, and other crafting materials. What makes this cutter truly unique is the trigger handle mechanism. Unlike traditional rotary cutters, this one allows for effortless blade extension and retraction. Just press the handle to expose the blade, and as soon as you release it, the blade retracts automatically. This feature adds an extra layer of safety, making it a great option for crafters who prioritize ease of use and protection from accidental cuts. With 7mm of blade exposure, it strikes a great balance between cutting depth and precision. Now let's talk about a few drawbacks. The safety lock button could be more conveniently placed for quick adjustments, and some users find the handle a bit bulky, which might affect comfort and control, especially for those with smaller hands. The magnetic blade system is innovative but requires careful alignment when replacing blades. Additionally, blade depth isn't adjustable, which could limit versatility across different leather thicknesses. The trigger mechanism's spring tension might also feel a bit stiff, leading to hand fatigue during longer crafting sessions. And taking the top spot, the OLFA 45mm Ergonomic Rotary Cutter. This cutter is a standout choice for leatherworkers, quilters, and crafters alike, thanks to its endurance blade technology, which ensures sharp, clean cuts and long-lasting edge retention. If you're working on detailed leather projects, this tool is built to deliver precision while reducing hand fatigue, making it ideal for extended use. One of its best features is the curved handle with an anti-slip rubber grip, providing extra comfort and control during long cutting sessions. The dual-action safety lock offers flexibility, allowing you to lock the blade open or closed, depending on your needs. Plus, the blade change system is quick and secure, minimizing the risk of accidents during replacement. Now, here are a few things to consider. The higher price tag might not fit every budget, and getting the perfect grip for curved cuts may take some practice. Some users also report that the blade cover sticks slightly when retracting, which can be a bit annoying. The handle design is ergonomic for most users, but those with larger hands might find it a bit slim. Additionally, while the safety lock is a great feature, it can feel stiff at first, though it loosens up over time. If you're cutting more than just leather, this tool is a solid investment. However, frequent blade replacements might add up, especially if you're working primarily with thick leather. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, hit like and subscribe for more crafting tool recommendations. Which rotary cutter do you use? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to check the description for links to all these products. See you in the next video.